Hello again, YouTube. Figured maybe I'd do a little more in-depth video of my exit sign emergency lights as opposed to last time. So this here, as I said before, was my light alarms exit sign incandescent model. Up here you have your test button and charge light. This has a float charger, I believe. So whenever that light turns off, that means the battery's reached full charge and it stops charging, so it doesn't, overheat the battery. And if I pop the cover off, I'll show you inside. Alright, there you go. There's the battery. Big mess of wires and pretty old circuit technology. As you can see here, it's a pretty old label. This sign I'm guessing was made around 1993, roughly. I personally purchased the sign in 2005. I put that sticker in there back then. Sorry for the handwriting was horrible back then. But yeah, it's a model UXE8BRA. Yeah, see here. The input is 120 and 277 volts AC. Uses about 50 watts when it's all lamped up and charging. But I only have 7-watt bulbs in there instead of the typical 15. So it doesn't use quite that much electricity, which is a good thing. Our electric bill is high enough in this house without 50-watt exit signs all over the place. So, if I take this off, you shove the sucker right down in there. There you go. There's they're just two nightlight bulbs because I'm tired of buying legitimate exit sign bulbs. They're just way too expensive. Those are the battery backup lights, one there, one there. So I push the test button up here. There you go. As you can see, they're quite bright. In some cases, the exit sign's brighter when the power goes off than it is when it's on. It's kind of weird. But yeah, so there's the sign. This one anyway. I get the cover back on here. I'll take you to another one. I bought this sign and another one used off eBay for like 10 bucks. It was a steal. This is probably the only model of exit sign I really like. I absolutely hate the new ones. They're all their weird whiteness and perfect curves and all that weirdness. I like these good old rugged light alarm signs. Something about that black with the aluminum on there is just really nice and appealing. This here is the other exit sign that came with that one, the same box. When I bought these, I thought there was going to be two of those, but instead I got this. And I'm not complaining though. This is a pretty good sign. So this is a Surelights light. I don't have it up right now because I'm in the process of rebuilding it. As you can see, it was in use for quite a long time and had some pretty high wattage bulbs in there because the diffuser is completely yellowed and it's even white in one spot, but this camera's not good enough to pick it up. Here's the inside. The light bar here. It only has one light socket in there because the other one broke because it's so old. I'm going to replace this one. I'm not going to put it back into service until I do that because I'm guessing this sign was probably mid-80s roughly. Look down here, you see the Surelight sticker. It looks like it's model number SL237. So yeah, that's that sign. See, another sign I've got. This is actually my first exit sign. I'm still got to find all the parts for this one again, but there's this sign. I don't know who makes this sign. If anyone could tell me, that would be just awesome. See on the side here, I put these buttons in. As you can see, never came with any kind of emergency backup. There is a light bar that goes up at the top, and I got to put it back in there, but never came with any kind of emergency battery backup or anything. Just had two holes in the side where the test and AC light should go. So I stuck a switch and LED in there, and hopefully pretty soon I have a spare charger around here, so I might try and work that in the sign somehow. There's that sign. Here is my Surelights exit sign. Said it was model number CCX30RWH. Incandescent model as well. All my signs are incandescent. You see two normally on lights, then the battery backup lights, which are pretty bright. Needs a new battery, but you know, oh well. What can you do, right? My last exit sign is this one down here. This here is probably the second exit sign I ever had. Let me pull the cover off this. Okay. So I don't have this one in service right now, but look down here. It is a Cooper Lighting. Model number is CCX20RWH. I got this sign and the other Surelights one roughly at about the same time. They're both good signs. As soon as I have a place to put them, I will hang them up somewhere. Just, you know, I don't know. I just don't like having a billion exit signs anywhere just for the sake of having them up. You know, I put them where they're needed, such as over there. So, yeah. That's... Oh, wait, emergency lighting. Almost forgot. My bad. Don't kill me. My Surelights emergency light here. There you go. There's the inside. Charge light and test switch as usual. Just a simple charging circuit. See, I got this Surelights emergency light in 2002. About I think like maybe 6 months before we had that big Northeast blackout in 2003, so it was probably the first real test actually, besides what I've actually done with it. This here is also Cooper Lighting. It's model number LM1H. I don't see these being sold in the stores anymore, which is kind of depressing because, again, I like these kind of models. I absolutely hate the newer, modern emergency lights. They look horrible, and yeah, they should feel bad. But there you go. Just notes in there. The last battery replacement was at 05, so I have to do it again. So yeah, there's that one. There's actually one emergency light that I forgot to show you guys on my last video, and I put it in the bathroom because where I live, we have power outages a lot, and it's nice to, you know, be able to see what you're doing when the lights go out. I'm trying to remember who makes this sign. This one. It's a Cooper Lighting, made in China, unfortunately. It's a model number HS1R. It's got a little switch on the side here where you can turn on one or both, turn the lamps off, one or both of them on. The second one over there is burned out. I need to get a new bulb for it, I know. But, yeah, this one here, I've had a lot of trouble with this one. I'm not sure if I've just had incredibly bad luck with batteries or if the charging circuit is murdering the batteries. I haven't quite determined that yet. So right now, whenever I change batteries out of the other ones, I put them in this. You know, this one here will probably last 5 minutes maybe after power outages, but these lights here are on the standby generator, so they come back on within about 30 seconds anyway. So, you know, yeah, they're just there because they can be. I have nowhere else to put them. So, yeah, there you go. And you've already told you how these work here. Nothing real special. Oops, over here. Nothing real special about them. So, yeah, there you go. Well, thanks for watching, and see you guys later.